What are the challenges of sourcing circuit components? Imagine trying to assemble a complex puzzle with pieces that are constantly changing shape and availability. This scenario highlights some of the difficulties faced when obtaining circuit components for electronic projects and manufacturing. The process involves more than just placing an order. It requires navigating a landscape filled with variables that can impact timelines, costs, and product quality. One primary challenge is the variability in component availability. Many electronic components are produced in limited quantities or are subject to supply chain disruptions. Factors such as manufacturing delays, geopolitical issues, or natural disasters can cause shortages. For example, the global shortage of semiconductor chips in recent years demonstrated how intertwined supply chains are and how vulnerable they can be to external shocks. This scarcity can lead to delays in production schedules and increased costs as companies compete for limited resources. Another significant obstacle is the complexity of sourcing components that meet specific technical and quality standards. Components must adhere to strict specifications to ensure reliability and safety, especially in critical applications like medical devices or aerospace systems. Finding suppliers that can consistently provide components that meet these standards can be difficult, especially when dealing with obsolete or hard-to-find parts. Obsolescence is a common issue where manufacturers discontinue certain components, forcing buyers to seek alternatives that may not be a perfect match. Cost fluctuations also pose a challenge. Prices for electronic components can vary based on demand, raw material costs, and geopolitical factors. During periods of high demand or supply shortages, prices can skyrocket, impacting overall project budgets. Additionally, counterfeit or substandard components are a persistent risk, particularly when sourcing from less reputable suppliers. These can compromise the integrity of the final product and lead to costly failures or recalls. Logistical issues further complicate sourcing efforts. Shipping delays, customs procedures, and transportation costs can all affect the timely delivery of components. For international suppliers, tariffs and trade restrictions can add layers of complexity, requiring careful planning and risk management. In summary, sourcing circuit components involves navigating a complex web of availability, quality, cost, and logistical challenges. Success depends on thorough supplier vetting, proactive inventory management, and staying informed about market trends. Overcoming these hurdles ensures that electronic projects and products are built with reliable, high-quality parts delivered on time and within budget.